Hello 104, my name is Brittany Teacher and today is Thursday, March 24th, 2020. I'm here today to do your Backpack 4 lesson with you. Today we are going to work on pages 66 and 67. We're going to learn some grammar points about how to say yes they did or no they didn't. Did people have electric lights back then? No, they didn't. Didn't is another way of saying did not. So whenever you see the word no at the beginning of the sentence, you need to write they didn't. Did they burn candles back then? Yes, they did. They did. This is something they did a long time ago. So when you see the word yes, you need to write they did. So do that here on numbers 1 through 4. Complete the sentence using no they didn't or yes they did. Next, B. Before electric lights, what did people used to do? Used to do. What did they do in the past, before? Used to. They used to burn candles. Now people have lamps. So, when we are asking the question, it's use. When we are giving an answer, they used to. It changes. So, number 1, write questions or answers. Before running water, what did people used to do? They used to do something. The answer is in your book on page 62 or 63. Remember when we read about what people used to do? It says, number 1, people didn't have running water. They took baths in wooden tubs. So this is your answer right here for the next page. Okay, so when you answer number 1, before running water, what did people used to do? They used to take baths in wooden tubs. Okay, so write that here and then do the same for 2, 3, and 4. Remember, your answers for this are on the previous page. 67, work with a partner. Talk about school in the past and school now. So look at the model. We have one picture, notebooks, slates. Notebook, this is what we have now. Slates, this is what we had in the past. Here's a picture, an example of a slate. Here's how you would talk about it. Back then, students didn't have notebooks. They had slates to write on. So when you're practicing your dialogue with your mom and dad, one person will talk about what we didn't have back then. Back then, people didn't ride buses. They used to walk everywhere. Try the same thing for each of these pictures. Talk with your mom and dad. Send us a video of you explaining these things. You can choose to do 10, work in groups. How is your life different now? Use used to. We used to go to Andover. Not anymore because of coronavirus. We used to play outside every day. Things like that. You can talk about your past. You can talk about when you were little. When I was little, I used to wear diapers. Not now, okay? After you do 66 and 67, you are finished with your Backpack 4 lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.